How to pay Bank of America credit card from another bank account. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can log in your Bank of America online banking account or via your Bank of America mobile banking app. Once you are logged in, you need to navigate to the option of Bill Payment. From here, select on the option of Payment Center. If you are using an app, select the option of Bill Pay. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to a new page. In here, firstly, you need to add a company or person to add a pay from another account. In which to search for a network, search for either the company or the person to whom you want to add as a payer for your bill. If it could be found in the company or the person, you can just click on it. As you can see, I've searched for Bank of America itself. In this case, I will just tap on Bank of America as I have selected company. If you have selected on person, you may have to add some of the routing number, also their details as well. Once you click on it, now starting off, you need to enter the Bank of America credit card account number. Then confirm the account number and enter the nickname. Once you are done from here, select on the Yes button. Now, for autoplay, you will find a autoplay icon. Just click on it and tap on Set up autoplay. By this way, the company or the person will be able to automatically pay for it. For that, you need to enter some of the option, that is pay from, the delivery by, amount, and do not pay, which is optional. Then click on Start Sending Payment. By this way, you'll be able to let another bank account or person to pay for a Bank of America credit card bills. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.